Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen.
Hello my viewers and my subscribers, I welcome you. So here I have some jackfruit seeds and I'm going to go ahead and rinse them off, and I will be showing you how to make coconut curried jackfruit seeds with potatoes. After finish washing the jackfruit seeds, I will put them to boil. So here I have a pot of water. Here are the jackfruit seeds, nicely washed. So I'm going to put them in the pot, sprinkle a little bit of salt, allow them to boil until they're tender. So here are the ingredients that I will be using in this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the skin from the jackfruit seeds, and then I will be slicing the seeds into small pieces. So here is one of the seed, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the skin from it like this. So this is what it looks like after removing the skin from it. So I'm going to go ahead now and I will be slicing these into small pieces like I said earlier. So here we go. Allow the curry to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the curry is settled underneath the oil. Then you know the curry is ready and it's time to add the jackfruit seeds to the pot. So here I'm adding the seeds to the pot, and I'm going to give it a very good stir, making sure that each seed has the curry and the seasoning on it. So here I'm adding the potatoes to the pot. Then I'm going to go ahead and I will be adding the coconut milk, followed by some coconut cream. Then I will allow this to cook a little bit until the potatoes are nice and soft. Here I will be adding some black pepper, some onion powder, and some all-purpose seasoning to the pot, along with my other seasoning like bay leaf, pimento seeds, bell pepper, hot pepper. add in some spring onions to my pot, and then I'm going to cover my pot and allow this to cook down nicely with the seasoning. Time now, guys, look at this. Wow, it smells delicious. Look how rich and thick and nice this curry is looking. Look at it, it smells amazing, guys. Wow, look at this, so yummy. Look at it. Try the recipe out, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and touch the notification bell to all, so you will be alerted every time when I post a new video. This is one pot of deliciousness. Try out the recipe, guys, and with this you can have this with boiled dumpling, bananas, sweet potatoes, even rice, or you can have it just like that. Whatever you like to have it with, you can. Look at this, guys. Amazing recipe, and it's very vegan friendly. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Walk good, be good, guys, and good will always follow you. Don't forget to comment underneath the video, share the video out, tell a friend about Carla's Kitchen CC, and thank you all so much for supporting my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, I welcome you guys with a warm welcome. To all my viewers, and thank you guys so much for your support. For all the ingredients and measurements, please visit my website and you will get all the measurements for this recipe along with other recipes that I have up there. Thank you.
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your continuous support, and I'll catch you in another one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.